pang-bachang yan guys. Chestnut. Ano to?
Lapsya.
Lapsya.
Sausage Chinese lang.
Yan. So now, I cutting for ano to? Nunya. Maliliit yan. I really like the taste na tulong lang. Behind tulong. Kainan, the wedding guys. Sa office, you see the table? Very long. One, two, three. Okay. Ayan. Dahil mo siyang may I don't know like that. Oh, kamu we got coffee. Where's my coffee? My tea? Itarik. Ang bata. Ay, si Lola. Doon. Ayan. Siya ang taga-luto kasi hindi masarap yung luto namin. Ito damas. Damas ka siya. Kontras as ako. Solas din. Coffee ready. So the brain work na experiment siya mountain together she go up bring her back she go down she bring her back no she just leave after that nawa ko yan ninyo ka she said tomorrow right she tell me yesterday tomorrow and big working day sila working part-time in the shopping mall. Yeah. Yeah, in Singapore, no need to wear any watch la, ring la, necklace, or what. I go back. I follow so that content creator wearing gold necklace, big one. Year 2 1 yeah, we buy big one then and then you cost swimming you wala cost here how at least if your own house wala no at least your own house you can do what you want kan nobody ask you to do this with a tab or open iPhone kung ready. You can set your computer ready. Imagining guys. 2 years more. 2 years time. Ulap lang. Yeah. Oh, a day in life lang. Housewife lah like that. Ito na na. Kita tambah juga food injected. Oh, processed. Itik deh. Processed. Ay, open deh dia. If you got vegetarian, I'm not vegetarian. What is on me, guys? Yeah, next time. Hopefully, guys. I finish my working house. Next year, renovation. Because yung kapitbahay namin na-spend niya ng 8 room is 4 million but maganda yun, sobrang ano yun, iba talagang aesthetic yun, talagang standard at hindi students yung paboarding niya. Ang paboarding niya ay mga professional ganun. So bawat kwarto may sariling kusina, may sariling CR, ganun. But yung boarding house ko is just basic lang. yung isang area ng kusina, tapos 3 banyo at 2 CR yun lang sa taas. Sa baba, gagawin ko na lang na 2 kwarto. Yung isang kwarto dati is gagawin kong CR at kusina, pero family lang yun, pang family ko na lang, so parang 4,000 a month ganun na lang yung singil ko sa kanila doon. Or yeah, pero kung hindi aalis yung nagbo-boarding na family sa amin, siyempre parang hindi na iba sa amin siya, dahil since nagpa-boarding ako 2013, andun na siya, wala pa silang anak nun, mga 10 years or 12 years na sila sa bahay. Kunti na lang, hindi na gaanong mahal kasi parang kapatid na yun. Kaya ako thank karap guys, kasi hindi ako naniningil ng mataas kahit estudyante. Yung mga ibang boarding house din sa amin is 1,200 ganun, 1,300 ang per student. Samantalang ako is 650 ganun, kasi kapwa ko nung mahirap yung mga estudyante. Oo, mahirap naman, hindi naman sila lalo yung mga walang abroad na anak. Pero kung yung may anak, minsan kasi may nagre-rent student na sarilinin yung isang kwarto para walang istorbo ganun, ay ko na lang ng 2K ganun. 2K yung isang kwarto. Parang isa 500 lang, di ba? Pero kung sarilinin mo 2K lang, so maka-minus lang. Maliit lang yung kita ko guys, ganun. Basta per student, pag one student gusto makidyon ng isang kwarto is either 650 or 7, ganun lang yun guys. Kaya kunti lang naman kita yung akin. Sana pa lang yung saving yung akin. Nailabas ko naman na yung unang bagong uwi ko, 180k yun. So ngayon dagdagan ko na lang. Magkano lang naman yung ilan lang yung mabili mo ng 180k ngayon ng materials. Kasi yung budget na lang namin ng bakal is 250 na yun, first to second story. O simento mo na 100 bags o 1,000 bags siguro. Kasi ngayon father na ginawa ko nun is 100k na. O at yun na lang gagawin namin. So ayan guys, mahirap din, pero kaya ngayon kahit gusto ko umuwi ngayong taon, wala, kulang yung budget ko na 1.8 M. Siyempre kakatapos ko lang nabayaran yung sasakyan ko. Siyempre inuna ko yung sasakyan dahil nga pag uwi ko pwede kang makapunta sa mo gusto. Uulan man, bumagyo, umulan, o diba, so you can maganda yung may sasakyan ka din dahil daming benefits. Hindi ka mababasa, hindi ka kahit biglang umulan o biglang umaraw, nasa loob ka ng sasakyan. Yun ang kaganda ng sasakyan at kumpara sa motor. Meron din kaming motor guys, pero TMX lang guys, yung pinakamurang Honda yan kaya. Ay, hindi, Baja ata yun. Yung Baja 155. 65k ata yun. Yun lang guys. Pero siya bumili nun, hindi sa akin. Bilhin mo yun. Yun lang guys. So, ayun. No choice. You want to fry the kaulak, ma? You want fry kaulak or no need? This one, see guys, ayan. Nating may green tea guys, milk tea, green tea. Thanks guys for watching.
Hindi, tawi ko nga live mo.
Bolay.
Yan na ako.
Ito lang.
Kailangan ka
Mushroom.
Tunggu.
Sila. Mula, waiting. Cannot haven't come. Tapos na lang. Gawain namin. Kulang daw yung ito for tomorrow. Ay, sa Monday na lang ita. So, panurin yung ano, Monday. Sa Monday kami na. Ba, still hard the mushroom also? Ang sakit na naman yung kamay ko. Mo, paya lah. Every time siya. Delikado siya guys. Kailangan natin scissors. What is that? Yeah, that's the problem. Wait lang. The layer. The stainless. Ayan na guys. Tapos na siya mag-fry. Wait, I'll help you to see. Did I put there or I put in? One set. Also, your for din no come out today la. I know sold out today. Because, I mean to say so many people buy there. 666 ma. Ay mag-live. I do live when my birthday also. I do live when my birthday also day. Ay! They come back right. Then who come in my live, I fly numbers. I let them, I give them $2 to $2. Ayun guys. Kasi naka 10,000 subscribers.
Mama, here can.
Yeah, Ken. She will mix with mushroom, right? Ayan guys. Tuwas lang. Just mo. At natapos ko ng work. Matagal kasi ito magtrabaho kung kasama ko. Oo. Hindi sila. Ba, she want to pray again. Isinuin mo. Thank you for your watching guys. Thank you for your support. Kapwa ko OFW. Bye bye.